Guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here, and today in this video I will show you guys how to do the proper hook into reverse CC. Okay, so without any further ado, let's start. Alright, so very simple. We're gonna start with a hook. Alright, I'm gonna hook my right leg onto my left leg. Okay, now from here, instead we're doing the usual traditional CC like this. What we want to do now is we're going to do a CC where I'm going to bend my right leg and I'm going to keep my left leg straight. Alright, so it looks something like this. I'm going to pull my right leg out, I'm going to bend and straighten out my left leg. See? So in the process, you can see when I'm doing that, I switch my hand from right to left. Alright, so that I can do the kick and quickly get it back into the hook positions again. Alright, one more time. Starting from hook, CC, hook, CC, hook. Okay, so the tips here is while doing that, you need to be fast and you should bring your hip up. Because if you keep your hip low, you find it very difficult to do the kick and quickly get back. So again, do it fast and bring your hip up. Alright, don't be lazy. Make sure you bring your hip up. After the kick, quickly get it back into the hook. Okay, so we try it again. From the hook, remember, quick, fast, and bring your hip up. CC, hook, CC. So there you go, the very quick tutorial on how to do hook into reverse CC. Hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you clean up, make sure you master it, and then use it in your set. That's about it, and we'll see you guys until the next one.